We have this big box with this little package in it. Hi guys, welcome back to another Fabz vibration, and today I am doing an unboxing. Now this is my first time doing an unboxing. It is not a review, it's just unboxing to see what's in this package that I just got from Amazon today, and I'm just going to open it up and see what's in there. Okay. Okay guys, so Amazon always overdo it. As usual, we have this big box with this little package in it. Now, this is the Sony WH-CH510. Hope you could see it. It's a Bluetooth headset. I've owned other Sony brands before. I've had this Sony over-the-head headphone for probably about maybe more than 5 years now. Still works, quality sound. Is the Sony XB200. I also got this Sony Bluetooth speaker. Very good sound. Take that from me. This is a Sony XB20, and trust me, it plays some really good sound. Clear quality, nice deep bass. I recommend this. Now this here, back to the Sony WH-CH510. I did a couple reviews on it. It's like a budget headphone, super light. When I picked up the box from the carrier, I thought that there was nothing in there. It's actually very light. So let's open it and see what's inside, how it looks. And there's another box in there. Let's see what this says. You get 35 hours of music playtime. You get 10 minutes quick charge, play up to 90 minutes. You get HD calling for when you're on your phone call. You have voice assist, so if you have something like Google Assist, I guess that could work also. And it uses USB Type-C to charge. So that's it. Let's see how it looks. Okay guys, so it's just in a little wrap. I know usually these things come in a hard plastic, but I guess they're going the cheap and economical way. Alright, looks good. I chose black. There's blue and some other colors, but I chose black this strip. I already have a blue, so I chose black this strip. The reason I really bought these headphones are because when I'm doing video editing with this, my son tends to pull the cord, and I don't want it to burst or get damaged. So with these, there's no cord to pull. So let's see. There's adjustment here and here. The headphone turns in and out. I like the nice finish that they did here. It feels really good. Really good. Flexible. Feel like it's gonna pop in my hand, but let's hope that it doesn't. Looks really good, guys. I think I'm gonna be happy with these. Let's see how they fit. Feels comfortable. Feels really comfortable. And as I said, there's a Type-C charger that you use. That's a real change in the headphones right now. You don't usually see Type-C to charge headphones. You just usually get the normal USB charger. But very interesting. Another thing about these headphones is that if the battery die. I said I was going to do a review, but I noticed that it doesn't have the 3.5mm jack that you could plug in an auxiliary cord. But I got this, so I guess when this dies I have to turn to this. But seems good. Let's test it out and see how it works. Okay guys, so I grabbed my tablet real quick and we're just going to test out this bad boy to see what it can do now. In the middle has a power button, so I'm going to turn this on, see if there's some juice in there. And I see the blue light is blinking. Let's see. And there we go. And there I just heard a woman speak to me and she told me that Bluetooth is connected. Let's play some music. And of course I'm going to play some soca because I love soca. Guys, this song real good. I think I'm gonna enjoy this a lot. It's Sony, it's durable. Sony has never let me down yet. As I said, we got the Sony headphone, Bluetooth, Sony speaker, Bluetooth, Sony 3.5mm jack. Can't go wrong with Sony. And this is a budget under 40 US. You get this headphones on Amazon. Guys, I think you'll enjoy it. So thanks for hanging with me here with these headphones. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Fabz Vibration. See ya.
Bring your friends.